In this tutorial, you will learn how to generate a spreadable acres map as a PDF in SnapMaps. Note: this is only relevant to farms with a WPDES permit, also called a CAFO. Before we get started, we need to make a couple of assumptions. First, that the plan is completed. Second, the plan is in compliance. So let's get started. Open SnapMaps and make sure the field boundaries, wells, and buffers are active. Keep in mind, while creating maps, it is very important to keep the information to only the necessary minimum for optimal readability. Go through the legend and uncheck most of the layers so you can create a clean map for the user. By keeping the underlying information to a minimum and only applying one key layer, the map can be more easily viewed by those affected by color blindness, or if the maps are printed only on black and white printers. So for this map, the spreading layers are what we want to make the key layer. Scroll to the bottom of the legend and check the box next to CAFO spreading layers to make it active. Then select whether you have a 25-foot or 100-foot buffer around waterways in these areas. Then click the Update CAFO Spreading Layers button to update your display. If you want to do a custom map of multiple images, you need to define print areas before creating your PDF. Go to PDF Creation, then Define Print Map Area to do so. Otherwise, go to PDF Creation, then Create PDF Spreading Map. Give the map a name, and check either Use Predefined Mapping Layout or Use Custom Mapping Template. Then click Done to create your map. This will create a PDF that you can either save to your computer or print off. If you chose a custom mapping template, you will need to perform an additional step of arranging your map images. Watch our tutorial on making custom maps for more information. This is the end of the tutorial on making a spreadable acres map PDF of your farm.